Hey everyone! In today's video, I want to share something really exciting. I'm going to show you how I managed to get a huge amount of money in car parking multiplayer, and how that allowed me to basically buy everything I wanted in the game. As you can see right here on my phone, this method really works. I've got an insane amount of cash, and the cars in my garage, absolutely wild. From supercars to custom builds, it's all there. The best thing about this method is that it works in online mode, so you can show off your cars to other players and enjoy everything the game has to offer with no restrictions. And even better, it works on both iOS and Android devices, so no matter what phone you're using, you'll be able to follow along and make it work. This whole setup is surprisingly simple. You don't need to root your phone, jailbreak anything, or mess with any complicated settings. Just a few quick steps and you'll be ready to go. So, if you've ever wanted to drive the best cars, or just have some fun without grinding for hours, make sure to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do exactly what I'm doing, and you'll be driving around with a fully loaded account. Let's get right into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for car parking and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.